Bonjour, Gakina Wia, Wisquaniquaduque Indigenous Minoa, Representative Sandra Blake and Digo. I wanted to bring this message to you, and first of all, I'd like to say that, for the families out there that have experienced recent loss of loved ones, that we're thinking about you and know that you're hurting at this time, but, know that there are people that care about you and are thinking about you. I wanted to talk today about a message for practicing safe social distancing, and first of all, to stay at home as much as you possibly can. Take this coronavirus very seriously. Stay at home as much as you can. Limit the visitors that come to your house. Limit your children going out. When you do go out to the market or the clinic, make sure that you're practicing social distancing about 6 feet apart, or at least the arm's length. So when you do go out to the market or the clinic or anywhere else that you need to go, practice social distancing. That's really important. And then also something that I do is I wear a scarf, and then when I'm actually going into the store, I'll put it on my face like that. Or I have a couple of homemade masks that I've made that I'll wear, and so you can also do something like that. And make sure you're mindful of what you do with your hands. Don't touch your face. Don't pick your teeth or pick your nose or rub your eyes. Be very mindful of what you do with your hands. Use hand sanitizer whenever you see it available. The wipes for the grocery carts. When you get home, when you're home again, make sure that what I do is I'll change my shirt and I'll wash my hands again very, very good. And then take the Lysol spray and spray, just a gentle spray over the stuff that you purchased. That might help. Just every little thing that can help, So then I'd like to say thank you to all of the employees, the Mille Band employees that are working through this pandemic that's going on. The Wewanabe business employees, we have the people at the Grand Market that I think about often, putting themselves out in front and online like that, stocking shelves, cooking in the deli, checking groceries, all that. I sure appreciate them, and I'm thankful that they're there. We also have, in the Super Stop, we also have our Tribal Emergency Response Committee, which is headed by our Emergency Management Officer, Monty Frank, and he's doing a very good job. It's also the commissioners. All of the commissioners are on this committee. We have the Commissioner of Administration, Assistant Administration, HHS, Education, DNR, corporate commissioner, commissioner of finance, our tribal police, solicitor's office, court, public information officer Vivian Lamore, doing a great job, doing a lot getting information together. And then our government affairs team, I want to let them know that they're appreciated. Also, we're working towards getting food security for our urban band members, so that they're not forgotten about. Our community development staff is still working. Garbage is being picked up, so we're providing services in the government still. Our Health and Human Services, we have our clinic still operating through telemetry. You can visit your care provider that way, and then the pharmacy is still operating. There's a mental health line that can be visited. Education has been working very hard, doing food delivery for our children, and also distance learning. I hope that's going good for everyone, and try to keep those kids in line and on that Chromebook. DNR is working on harvesting gizik, and that's very important. Make your cedar tea and burn your sage, and that all helps very well. The spring fishing is coming soon, and that that is another thing that DNR is working for. Corporate Ventures has been assisting with food distribution, and we're thankful for them. Again, it's going to include the urban very soon. All of this information is available at the band website, so please visit the band website, or I'm always available and taking calls as well, so you can call me too. In band assembly, we've been working with the Commissioner of Finance. We're addressing our cash flow issues, and this past week we got an update from our financial investment manager, Pete Eckerline, down at Bank of America, and we're doing okay. The markets are down, but we're doing okay. And we took care of some wire transfers to ensure that the per cap was met, that payroll is being met, our elder income is being met, and those kinds of things. So we're still working in band assembly. And Abida, Nigan, Kea, we're looking to our future. And we'll get through this together. I think it's very essential, again, to practice social distancing. We need to keep our elders safe. And there's always the Commissioner on Call number that you can call. I just want to remind you of that. Migo H. Bazinda Wieg. Stay safe.